Hey guys, we received this JLab Neon on-ear wired headphone for test and try. So it's graphite blue color and the feather light with the ultra-plush eco leather. The 40 mm drivers and comes in a nice packing. So let's open the box. So this is a folding style. As you can see it here, you can fold and it will come in a small box. And it's you can just open up this. You can adjust the size. The logo and everything is here and the foam itself is very soft. They called it as a cloud foam comfort and yeah, it's a comfort feeling and the logo is also on the top. That is very soft feel, so it's comfortable feel and a good sound. So this is a wired one, so you can just use this aux cable to put in your laptop or any other place. So this is basically a nice thing. You can adjust the size, the form and everything.
So this fits really well on the top. You can see like it's a cushion, so it's very soft. From the side as well, this is fitting really well, covering the ear, comfortable and really nice.